Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this video is for our Power of Words series, and let me tell you, Power of Words series would be in English because the words which we are going to use as remedies are all mostly English words, 90%. And why not help our non-Tamil brothers and sisters understand our videos and even help us with the remedies which we enjoyed for these well. So I felt maybe I should start doing at least certain videos in English, because let it go to the people who don't understand Tamil, and of course, like, we are just trying to help everyone, right? So if for my Tamil brothers and sisters, if you don't understand anything, please let me know. Please just let me know during my live session so I can explain that to you in Tamil as well. Okay, our live sessions are 8 p.m. Sunday IST. So yeah, let's go to the video. So today's video is about how to remove negativity from me, especially negative thoughts. And also not just negative thoughts. I feel some kind of pain in me, either physical pain or some ailment and pain caused due to that, or mental agony, mental pain, some kind of hurt feeling. So this remedy can be used for all of those things. See, let me explain how Switchword works. If you had read the book Power of Subconscious Mind, you would have known how powerful our subconscious mind is. See, our subconscious mind is like a kid. So whatever, when you tell a kid, consider a 3 years old kid, when you tell him that, this, if you see, or if you just pray, you'll get a unicorn immediately. Or if you just pray for rain, God will give you rain. If you just pray for chocolate, God will give you chocolate. So you think he will not believe it? He will blindly believe it, right? So that's how our subconscious mind is. Our subconscious mind is like that kid. So our conscious brain develops when we age, and it starts its own analytical thinking. So the fact that stops our subconscious brain from working is our analytical thinking or analytical mind. It stops the subconscious mind. So if you see, consider you're in a pain. Maybe you got you played and you got a sprain and you feel pain from it. And if you get a pain, and if someone comes and tell you that, oh, okay, now your pain is going to stop, and they're just giving you repeated things like, your pain is going to stop, your pain is going to stop. And if they tell that, what would be your reaction? You just think that, will it stop if she is just telling? It won't, right? How will it be? It's not possible. So your critical mind or the conscious brain stops it from even going inside or penetrating your subconscious mind. So when you tell that whatever you want in a proper sentence, that is filtered by your conscious brain, and it won't even reach your subconscious brain. So the only way how Switchword works is that Switchword are just words, no proper meaning. And if I just tell those words, even before your conscious brain start that filtering process and stop that penetration, your subconscious brain would get that word. And your subconscious brain will start to think, oh, okay, so this word is for such a thing. And it starts to relate. And it starts to, think about it. And also, it starts to believe that those particular words are happening. So that's how our Switchword works. So whenever you tell Switchword, those are like random words. They don't have a meaning. They do have meaning, but they don't have a proper sentence, and your conscious brain will not try to stop it. So that's how Switchword works, and it's working only because of the power of your subconscious mind. Now let's go to the Switchwords for removing negativity. So if you are, if you are getting continuous negative thoughts, and if you really want to get rid of it, first start telling clear, cancel, delete. Clear, cancel, delete. You have to tell these words whenever you get negative thoughts in mind, and even when you're trying for other remedies. For example, if you're trying to, do this pain relief. So that's what this video is for. Before doing that pain relief, you have to repeat this clear, cancel, delete for a while. do this for 3 minutes. Clear, cancel, delete, clear, cancel, delete, clear, cancel, delete, and then do the pain relief, because when you do clear, cancel, delete, it refreshes your mind. That's what we want, right? It clears our mind. And then when you do the other remedy, that works out pretty well comparatively, you doing it without this negative thoughts removal. So after this clear, cancel, delete, what you do guard. Guard is the word for protection. See, guard also means that you protecting your body, spirit, and whatever your properties are. But in this context, it is for the protection of body and your own cells, your own body, your own mind. So repeat guard for at least 1 minute. So 3 minutes of pain relief, for pain relief, 3 minutes of negative thoughts removal, 1 minute of guard, and then start with this pain removal switch word, which is cancel dash pain now done. Cancel dash pain now done. So instead of that dash, you can fill with whatever body parts the pain is associated with, or in general, if your body itself is aching, you can just tell cancel pain now done. Cancel pain now done. So when you do this, see, cancel pain now done, your conscious brain will not get any proper sentence out of it. It just, whenever your conscious brain listens to these words, it thinks cancelling something and then pain and now done. So even before it thinking anything, your subconscious brain catches it and it starts to cancel the pain out of your body. This is working. I have given it to my close friends and families that worked. In my first circle, it worked. And then it has also worked for my WhatsApp group. So my manifestation WhatsApp group, I give remedies beforehand to them to work out and tell me the reviews. It worked out for them as well. And it also worked for people who by other means, who I was able to give via consultations, it worked out for them as well. So do this. For example, if you have any particular pain, for example, if you have a hand ache, okay, you got something in the hand, you can do cancel hand pain now done. Cancel hand pain now done. Cancel hand pain now done. Okay, so do this and let me know. And if you wonder how you can apply those switch words, you can do that repeating in your mind. That works. And also you can use water charging with these switch words. What I do is that I write it in a paper like this, what all switch words I want within a circle. And I place this under my pillow, and I also place this in my work desk and keep my water bottle on top of it, so that water get energized with these words. And try to use a plain water bottle whenever you're trying to use for these remedies, and also transparent one here. So, and then I drink water once it is like energized. So at least let it be on this throughout the day, and you can just drink whenever you want. And at least it should be left for half an hour at the least. Yeah. Apart from that, if you're telling, so if you're considering telling it to yourself, you can do this and then just keep 3 fingers on this, close your eyes and repeat. So that's another way. That's called the 3-finger technique, and you can just repeat it yourself, also touching it. So this also works for switch words. Thank you.